Good afternoon, my friends. It's a little ways after 1 o'clock, and here we are right in the beginnings of our first major winter storm. Winds are already beginning to pick up. We already got a coating out here now. It's supposed to put on a lot more than just this. I guess this is all sticking, as you probably can tell, looking at my driveway. Oh man. Oh, this is gonna be unbelievable. Man. Oh, this is nothing, my friends. It may just be a coating, but we're only going to keep turning things up a notch. In fact, I'm definitely going to film when we're in the height of the storm later on this afternoon. Just look at that. And already, if you didn't get the news, because of what we're looking at here, the Eagles-Vikings game has been postponed until Tuesday. There's no question about it that safety was on the minds of the NFL when they made this decision. Because think about it, several thousand people use the Schuylkill Expressway, 95 and the Blue Route, every day heading into Philly. With what you're seeing in the background there, snow, along with the wind supposed to pick up, if you were the general manager and you were stirring this down, what would you have done? Would you have let the Eagles play, or would you want the fans to suffer through what's going to be a very long afternoon and evening? Please continue to stay tuned to my Facebook as I continue to update you on our first major winter storm of the 2010-2011 season. Man, it may just be a rustling wind now, but that is going to change. And I thought I'd also show you what kind of snow this is. You know, wet snows, these are usually ones that are tough to shovel. Watch this. That's a packed powder snow. And this is what's going to help reduce what I just did there. That's going to help reduce visibility big time when this thing really does pick up. I'm going to be bringing that video to you live when it happens. Folks, this is a live video from outside in the middle of our first major winter storm, the 2009 of the 2010-2011 winter season. Wow. Oh man. This is unbelievable. A storm that cancels the Eagles game, hundreds of flights. This is only going to get worse from this point forth. See see if I can get this garage door shut. Wow. There's our Christmas lights. Ugh. Stop. Okay, now to get back to the storm. Yep, this is the main road, Marker Drive. Plow guys came by about 3 hours ago. Now it's gone. Anyway, please excuse those technical difficulties. We were having problems shutting the garage, but anyway, here we are, right in the beginnings of the height of the first major winter storm, the 2010-2011 winter season. So far, we've picked up about an inch. Where I'm standing right now, it's very cold. Snow's hitting you in the face like it's sand grains or something. And I thought I'd show you a little something. Whoa! Man, these winds are unbelievable out here. Later on tonight, these winds are gonna go up to 40 to 50 miles an hour. And this could be pulling down tree branches, power lines, causing power outages. Holy crap. Man. Yes, this is what you could call the Blizzard 2010 Part 3. Because I'm not kidding about it. It is seriously cold out here. Wind chills feel like it's near zero. Roads are probably getting very icy right now. Oh my god. Yeah. But hey, at least it's very pretty right now. There's my Christmas lights. Holy cow. We're gonna have to get in soon because it's so cold I can't even... Never mind. It's just really cold out here. But anyway, I've never seen anything quite like this. Never. Man. Man, just look at that. Okay. Let's get, as I said, I'd show you what kind of snow this is. It's a packed powder snow. This is kind of like what I'm standing in right now. It's packed powder. It's blowing everywhere like crazy. But please continue to stay tuned to my Facebook for all the latest updates here on this crazy winter storm. I better get inside before I freeze. Let's go find it. Let's get inside now. Man. Should be interesting to see how much snow we get tonight when we pick up. We better go find. Just look at that. That's whiteout conditions right there. That's snow at a rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Let's go find a different room to watch this. We can't stay outside. Hey. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna set the camera up and try to thaw out. Man. Yep. This is a packed powder snow. It's blowing around like crazy. We were just outside. Okay, the current time is 4:42 p.m. These are the latest stats. This is light to moderate snow. We've already recorded about 1 inch since the start of the storm earlier today. It's 27 degrees, but outside, this 13-mile-an-hour wind with gust 18 is made to feel as if it's 16. And this is only going to get worse later on during the night tonight. Let's do a little circle in the backyard. Wow. Whole road back there is completely snow covered. The winds are not an issue yet, but they are going to be overnight tonight.